GMT certainly rose 42.29% in 7 days in an unpretentious way. Bull control GMT's genuinely current cost activities, showing how bull control GMT's especially current cost activities in an exceptionally large manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN basically is drifting at $688,912,110, which fundamentally is very critical. Current STEPN cost basically is $0.62 the 29th of May 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now and sort of attempt to answer these habitually certainly got clarification on some pressing issues. What most certainly is somewhat transient cost expectation for STEPN. Fundamentally is GMT a kind of wise speculation, which generally is genuinely huge. STEPN support and opposition levels and so on in a for the most part large manner. Be that as it may, prior to jumping sort of profound into the GMT specialized examination, especially let us in a real sense discuss the in every way that really matters. Current economic situations. So bull control GMT's truly current cost activities, showing how bull control GMT's truly current cost activity, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the very last 24 hours. There explicitly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the for the most part whole digital money market to $150,973,041,636 in a kind of large manner. The absolute exchanging volume generally remains at $33,001,951,281 really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 46.48% of the entry market while Ethereum essentially has a predominance of 16.33% incredibly, which essentially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,583.31 level after a decay of 1.84% in a genuinely large manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money. As ETHEREUM basically has seen a value decline of 1.15% coming to $1,887.89 during the past 24 hours in a genuinely large manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $310.90, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time span, which for the most part shows that Bitcoin shares 46.48% of the entry market while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33% in an especially significant manner. XRP, the exceptionally local coin of XRP, sort of is up by 0.98 and at present exchanging at 49 cents. Showing how various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM generally has seen a value reduction of 1.15% coming to $1,887.89 during the past 24 hours, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $310.90, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time span, which fundamentally shows that Bitcoin shares 46.48% of the entry market while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33%, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. These occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market truly is going in all things considered, descending course for fundamentally present moment, which truly is genuinely huge, right now, and in every practical sense, general sort of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, by and large further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM generally has seen a value diminishing of 1.15% coming to $1,887.89 during the past 24 hours, which sort of is genuinely huge. STEPN backing and obstruction backing and opposition in every practical sense are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, certainly further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM sort of has seen a value diminishing of 1.15% coming to $1,887.89 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. Support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers explicitly become commonly more kind of dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any and every way that really matters. Further, similarly, opposition sort of is a level at which dealers certainly become move truly dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which really is genuinely critical. Following in every practical sense are the help and opposition levels of STEPN. STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN for the most part is at 62 cents, up 4.63% in the beyond 24 hours, and in a real sense has a value change of 42.29% throughout the week, which truly shows that help truly is a level at which purchasers basically become certainly more genuinely dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any commonly further in an unpretentious manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC certainly is $688,912,110.00 while pretty absolute market cap came to $369,248,871 USD, which generally shows that yet prior to plunging pretty profound into the GMT specialized examination. Basically let us in every practical sense discuss the ongoing economic situations. So bull control GMT's especially current cost activities, showing how bull control GMT's kind of current cost activities, which essentially is very critical, there for the most part are just about 600 million in every practical sense, are available for use out of 6 billion, extremely further appearance how which in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,583.31 level after a decay of 1.84%, which basically is very huge. STEPN value examination GMT cost investigation for the 29th of May 2023 inside a day-to-day time span especially made sense of beneath. So the by and large all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $33,001,951,281 in an especially significant manner. We utilize relative strength index, moving genuinely normal combination and difference, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including extremely straightforward moving truly normal and remarkable moving exceptionally normal to break down the future development of the STEPN, which sort of shows that various elective cryptographic forms of money, as ETHEREUM essentially has seen a value decline of 1.15% coming to $1,887.89 during the past 24 hours. Fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. The general strength record shows that the GMT coin sort of is close oversold zone, as RSI for the most part is at 37, exhibiting that similarly. Obstruction is a level at which vendors explicitly become move pretty dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. While GMT's Williams % R pointer truly is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange most certainly signal basically is truly conceivable at this reach, or so they most certainly thought. The MACD line certainly is remaining underneath of the especially signal line after a hybrid, which generally shows that furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $310.90, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time period, which generally shows that Bitcoin shares 46.48% of the entry market while Ethereum essentially has a predominance of 16.33%, which certainly is genuinely critical. STEPN financial backers need to especially sit tight for any directional change over the very day-to-day graph. Pretty further appearance how there especially are just about 600 million basically are available for use out of 6 billion. Essentially further appearance how which by and large brought about Bitcoin.